Welcome back once again all of you. Looking for reasons to try yoga. From increased strength to flexibility to heart health, we have so many reasons to rolling out on the mat. Well, our today's session is on yoga. If you have a passionate yoga practitioner, you have probably noticed some yoga benefits. Maybe you are sleeping better or getting fever cold or just feeling more relaxed and at ease. But if you have ever tried telling a newbie about the benefits of yoga, you might find that explanations like it increases the flow of prana or it brings energy up your spine fall on your deal or spectacle ear. So we have so many benefits if we are practicing yoga regularly. It increases flexibility, it increases muscle strength and bone, improved respiration, energy and vitality. It helps maintaining a balanced metabolism. It helps in weight reduction, cardio and circulatory health. It improves our athletic performance and it improves and protect us from many type of injuries. So in today's session we are going to show you few yoga which will help you increase your health. So our first yoga is Dhyan, that is Padmasana. Okay. Take your position all of you. Zoom करना. So this is the position for Padmasana. You are at observing Dhyan. Okay, relax. So our second asana is Vajrasana. Vajrasana is being performed sitting on your knees, and you can see the position sitting on your knees, hand on your knees, upper body straight. This is the position of Vajrasana. So our next asana is Shashankasana. We have the same sitting position on the knees and we'll bring our upper body forward. Take the position. Okay, bring your body down, down, down. Touch your head, forehead on the floor. Your forehead on the floor. This is the perfect position of Shashankasana. Shashankasana की ये perfect position है. This is very important asana to it helps your benefit in the stomach. Okay, slowly and slowly come back all of you. Well, our next asana is Uttanasana. Take your position all of you. Eye on your knee. Very good. Open your leg. Hold your ankles, very good, and look back side, that's right. Okay. So this is the position for Uttanasana. Okay, slowly and slowly go back, relax. Down. So our next asana is Vakrasana. Where the position straight leg. Okay, lift your leg, take your position. Very good. Hold your ankles. Very good, and look back side. Very good. So this is the position for Vakrasana. दिस इज वक्रासन. ये वक्रासन का पोजीशन है, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट आसन है. इससे हमारा जो बैक है उसको काफ़ी स्ट्रेंथन और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिलती है. हमारा स्पिनल कॉर्ड, हमारा चेस्ट ओके, रिलैक्स। नेक्स्ट आसन इज पश्चिमोत्तानासन। हमारा अगला जो आसन है वो पश्चिमोत्तानासन है। एक पोजीशन, दोनों पैर हमारे सामने रहेंगे। ब्रिंग योर हैंड, वेरी गुड। बेंड फॉरवर्ड, स्लोली एंड स्लोली बेंड फॉरवर्ड, वेरी गुड। डाउन, ओके। होल्ड करना है यहाँ पे और सीधे नीचे ले जाओ, आगे ले जाओ, सीधा। वेरी गुड। और थोड़ा डाउन करना है। सो दिस इज पश्चिमोत्तानासन। ये हमारा पश्चिमोत्तानासन है। रिलैक्स, कम बैक, वेरी गुड। और नेक्स्ट आसन इज सेतुबंध आसन। हमारा अगला जो आसन है वो सेतुबंध आसन है, जो शोल्डर, हमारा स्पिनल कॉर्ड और एब्डोमेन के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट आसन है। टेक योर पोजीशन, स्लिप ऑन योर बैक, वेरी गुड। डाउन, ब्रिंग योर लेग फॉरवर्ड, वेरी गुड। होल्ड योर एंकल्स, एंड put bring your body up from your waist and abdomen, very good, very good. This is सेतुबंध आसन। ये सेतुबंध आसन है, बहुत ही बढ़िया पोजीशन है। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। Okay, relax, bring your body down. So our next आसन is अर्ध हल आसन। बैक पे सोकर हमको ये आसन करना है, अर्ध हल आसन। टेक योर पोजीशन, ब्रिंग योर बोथ द लेग्स क्लोजर टू वन अनदर, दोनों पैर पास में लाओ। ओके, नहीं, ठीक है। रेज योर लेग, दोनों पैर साथ में उठाना है। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। एंड दोनों टो अंदर, पैर अंदर खींच के रखना है। वेरी गुड। दिस इज अर्ध हल आसन। ये अर्ध हल आसन का पोजीशन है 90 डिग्री एंगल। दिस इज 90 डिग्री एंगल, 90 डिग्री एंगल। Okay, very good. Relax. Bring your leg down slowly and slowly. Bring your legs down. Very good. So our next asan is हल आसन। सेम पोजीशन लाइक एन अर्ध हल आसन। अर्ध हल आसन में हम दोनों पैरों को ऊपर लाते हैं। वी फॉर्म अ 90 डिग्री एंगल बोथ द लेग्स एंड आवर अपर बॉडी। हल आसन में हम दोनों पैरों को अपने बॉडी के ऊपर से लेकर सर के पीछे तक ले जाएंगे। Take the position, bring your both the legs closer, दोनों पैर पास में। Slowly and slowly lift your leg, both the legs together. Very good, very good. Slowly bring both the legs over to your hand and down. Okay, very good. That's fine. Hold your body there. Fine, very good. This is the position for Halasan. Very good. Slowly go back, all of you. Pull the legs together. Lift your leg down. Okay, very good. Next asan is Sarvangasana. Just like Halasan. Ardha Halasan. We'll bring both the legs upward in the 90 degree angle. Then we will lift our body from waist, and the whole weight of the body will be on the shoulder. Okay, all of you, bring your both the legs closer. Bring both the legs closer. Lift your legs together. Very good, very good. Now lift your hips. Very good. This is सर्वांगासन। बॉडी का जो भी वेट है वो हमारे दोनों एल्बो के ऊपर है। विल गिव सपोर्ट टू द बॉडी ऑन योर विथ योर हैंड्स एट द वेस्ट। ओके, वेरी गुड। This is Sarvangasana. Okay, slowly and slowly bring your legs down, slowly, both the legs together, relax. So now our next आसन is भुजंगासन. हमारा अगला जो आसन है वो भुजंगासन है. अब तक हमने जो भी आसन किए we were doing on the back. हम बैक के बल सोकर कर रहे थे. Now we are doing all the asanas with our chest down. So this is the position, chest down. Bring your hands near your shoulder. दोनों हाथ अपने शोल्डर के पास. Slowly and slowly bring your body upside. अपना बॉडी को उठाना है. Very good. Slowly and slowly. अपना जो वेस्ट है वहाँ से अपने बॉडी को अप करना है. And look back. Try to look back. Very good. This is भुजंगासन. ये हमारा भुजंगासन का पोजीशन है. Okay, relax. Bring your body down slowly and slowly. Come down. Very good. Bring your head forward, side. Okay, relax. So our next आसन is सल्वासन. हमारा अगला जो आसन है वो सल्वासन है. We will lie down on our chest. Okay, bring your both hands near your waist. दोनों हाथ हम वेस्ट के पास लाएंगे. Palm down position. Okay. Now slowly bring your both the legs together and try to raise your legs up. Both the legs together. Okay. Try to bring it at 45 degree angle. 45 degree angle तक आने की कोशिश करो. Try to bring your leg up. Don't bend your knees. Knee bend करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, relax. Bring your legs down. So our next आसन is धनुरासन. Again we'll sleep on our chest. We'll bring both the legs and we'll hold the ankle. Take your position, all of you. Fold your legs. Very good from the knee. Hold your ankles. Hold your ankles together and bring your body up. Try to pull your ankles. Okay, very good. Very good. This is Dhanurasan. Very good. थोड़ा कुछ है. Very good. Hold it. Hold it. This is Dhanurasan. Okay, bring, relax, come down, release your ankle, legs down. Okay, relax. So this is the last asana of today's session, Savasana. After doing all this asana, we would like to relax. So the last asana is Savasana. We will relax in this asana. Okay, take a break, go to sleep, all of you. Very good. Open your hand, open your palm up in the sky. Fine. Roll your face on the side. Try to put the chin down. Okay. Relax all of you. Relax your body. हमारा जो पूरा बॉडी है उसको एकदम रिलैक्स फील करो. दिमाग में जो भी ख्याल आते हैं वो सारे निकाल दो बाहर. फील फ्री ऑल ऑफ यू. रिलैक्स. तो ये हमारा आज के सेशन का आखिरी आसन है, शवासन. सारे आसन करने के बाद लास्ट आसन है शवासन, जिसमें हम अपने बॉडी को रिलैक्स करेंगे. विल फील फ्री. दिमाग से सारे भी जो भी ख्याल आते हैं वो निकाल कर अपने आप को एक सोने वाली पोजीशन में डालेंगे. Okay, come back all of you. Fine. That's the end of today's session. Come back all of you.